In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove backgrounds in Photoshop the quick and easy way. We all know working with images can sometimes be tricky, especially if you're dealing with complex backgrounds. But today, with just a few simple steps, you'll master a technique that's straightforward and incredibly effective, even if you're a beginner. To start, open up Photoshop on your computer. Once you've got it running, it's time to add your image. Simply click on File at the top left corner, then choose Open from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select it, and hit Open. Your image will then appear in Photoshop, ready for you to work your magic. Next, we need to get Photoshop ready to identify the background that's about to be removed. To do this, head over to the left-hand toolbar and look for the Quick Selection tool. If you can't see it straight away, it might be tucked under another tool like the Magic Wand. Now, with the Quick Selection tool selected, click and drag over the part of the image you want to remove, which is the background. You'll notice the tool does a pretty good job of snapping to the edges, but if you need more precision, you can adjust the size of the brush using the bracket keys on your keyboard. Now that you've highlighted the background, it's time for the magic. On your keyboard, simply press the Delete key. Here's where Photoshop really shines. It'll automatically remove the background and replace it with a checkered pattern, indicating transparency. Before moving on, take a moment to carefully inspect the edges of your main subject. If you see any areas where the background is still clinging on, just touch them up with your quick selection tool and hit delete again. Let's not forget to refine those edges. At the top of your screen, you'll see an option called Select and Mask. Give that a click and you'll enter a new workspace that will let you smooth any rough edges, feather, or even change the opacity of the remaining parts of the background. It's this step that really ensures your final image looks polished and professional. Finally, once you're satisfied with the new clean look of your image, it's time to save your work. Click on File again, choose Save As, and make sure to save it as a PNG format. This format maintains the transparency of your image so you can easily use it for whatever project you have in mind, be it a web design, a presentation, or even just sharing on social media. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy way to remove backgrounds in Photoshop that even beginners can accomplish in no time. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at editing all your images. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.